As you remember, last week we talked about if your child is taking out a loan for school and you co-sign for it, then you need a life insurance policy. This week we're going to talk about proper garaging and or vehicle designations on an auto policy. So let's say your child is going out of state to go to college. If they're taking a vehicle with them, we need to make sure that we update the policy and give the proper garaging for that state. Because if not, there's different laws in all the states. And when that vehicle goes out of state, it also is going to be subject to different laws potentially. We want to make sure that we've got you covered so there's no issues if a claim comes up and it doesn't hold the claim up. If your child is going off to college and they're not taking a vehicle with them, then most insurance companies will give you a discount, and they call it student away, meaning they're going away to college, they're not going to be home very much, and all we require is a copy of their student ID. That way it proves they're away at college, they don't have a vehicle, and you're given a discount because that child's not driving the car all the time. They're just coming home and driving it once in a while on breaks, correct? And then if they are going to be driving a car at college in the state of Michigan, we still need to make sure that we update that garaging location because it's really important. Vehicles are rated differently depending on where they are. You may get a better rating and it may go up a little bit. And there's a lot of factors that go into that. But it's very important to have it rated correctly. If they're just taking it once to like drop their stuff off and then they're bringing it home the next weekend, we don't really have to get into that. But if they're keeping it with them on campus, it's really important. So if they're going out of state, and they're taking a vehicle with them, we need to make some changes. If they're going out of state or staying in the state of Michigan, but they're not taking the vehicle with them, need a copy of their ID, and then we can make changes to maybe help save you money. And then 3, if they're going to a college here in Michigan and they're taking the car with them, we still need to update and change that garaging location and make the policy correct so that claims are covered when you need them.